Steam like? Oh, all right, we're starting. Welcome back, everyone. Let's hope this posted. Yep, posted. Beautiful. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. If you guys are new here, in the morning we come in, we outline the market, see what price did during the overnight session, see what it can do going into that New York session. At night, we come in, we take a look at the price action, we outline what actually happened during that session, and then we kind of review some stocks, review some crypto, see what we got going on. Currently, we are looking at NQ this morning.
I didn't even get a yo.
Oh my god, fuck. We got Mr. Hayes in the house too. Shit, my bad. My bad.
It's cool. I wasn't here for the other one.
Mr. Hayes is in the house, guys. Give him a big old welcome. What do we got going on here? Okay. During the overnight session, if you guys have tuned into the streams, we were constantly watching these 12-hour levels, and I did a little big old lesson on them the other day. So over here, we were watching this 24,495, 23,632, 75 and 24, 475, 75, 25, 01350, and then just everything in between here, right? So this morning, we had this Asia session sell-off. Then we had a nice little manipulation below that Asia session, price retrace during the London session to the upside. Then we're just kind of being a little hesitant over here, just kind of consolidating around this area after breaking, retesting this 24, 745, 75. We got that nice push to the upside, consolidating within this range. As you can see, price sweeps this liquidity right there. We get a nice initial pump to the upside right at 930, and then we get a nice little downside right after that. These candles remain within the range of this candle, so from here on out, we say, okay, well, there's a possibility of price continuing to the upside, given that we did not reverse after that sweep right there. So SFP right there, and then that continuation to the upside, retest of these fair value gaps, giving us that continuation. Right now, we're just dumping after that previous daily high sweep. I believe on the 1 minute, I had a little bit of a better over here. Yeah, initial shorts that I took this morning were off of this sweep. So London session sweep, we have this nice displacement candle to the downside. We form a fair value gap. Price comes in, taps into it, and then we just target that. That's close to what 346 ticks or so. Targeting that bottom 326 right there, and then from there get that 1 minute SFP on the 1 minute chart, and then a continuation. So that is what we got on the 5 minute. Now going into the session, or currently watching what is happening. We are going to be monitoring this level at 25, 194.25, as well as that previous daily high. As you can see, we swept it on the 4 hour, and now we're seeing that solid rejection to the downside, potentially coming in and doing an outside 4 hour here, with the target being right there. We got our target. What is that? Previous 4 hour low. 25.09.250. Right now, I would be watching this 12-hour retest, 25.194.25. Price potentially retest it. If we can reject it, then we'll get a nice continuation to that previous 4 hour low, as we are kind of consolidating around this previous 4 hour 50%. That is what I have on the date today. I think initially, yeah, this is what we were looking at going into the session. I was looking for a sweep of that, continued rejection over here, which we did kind of get it a little bit, right? Obviously right there, more probably closer on the 1 minute is what we got. Did not get the displacement through that range over here, but that is on us, right? If we did not get displacement through the range, we're going to continue to the upside. So that is what we have here. Let's see what we have. All I have on NQ. Maybe let's take a look at the 12 hours here as well. So you can see 12 hour right, previous 12 hour swept. We are inside this fair value gap, and also inside those multiple fair value gaps that we've retested before. So 25.193.75 is going to remain that level that we want to watch. If we can get through it, we're going to continue to the upside into that 25.414 level of previous resistance. If not, we can come back down to this 25098, retest it. As you can see, it has provided support multiple times. We can retest it, see if it's an actual break, and then maybe get that continuation into the upside. 25098. Yep, I have that right there. Cool. You can see during this session right there, we also consolidated around it, retested it, and then didn't do much from there. Tomorrow morning we got unemployment claims at 6:30 a.m. and then from there it is whatever it's gonna do. So just gonna keep on watching price here. There's gonna be a stream tomorrow morning, so make sure you guys are tuned into that. Yeah, that's all I have on Unki today. That's all. That's all she wrote today. Let's see what we have for crypto. Actually, this Bitcoin is not too bad, I will say. Jupe is another one that I was watching, and we are pretty good on it right now. Weekly, monthly was looking good, and daily above the CISD got a nice solid continuation here. So that is what I got watching that one, and everything else is just kind of still consolidating. Bitcoin, I think you mentioned that potential reversal back into the downside on it, given how it acted with the monthly open. All right.
Yeah. Monthly's inside, so we are out of OTE and all that like OB stuff to the left on the monthly chart.
Mm-hmm.
That previous breakout point. So I mean, I'd like to see it bounce from here, but I just don't like the inside month.
Yeah. Yeah, the inside months are always a little wacky.
Yeah, weekly still looks like aggressive move against and to me, kind of. But yeah, we'll see. Still LR to the downside. I'm not quite sure right now.
Yeah, still waiting to see what happens. 25,194. 25,194. 25, 25, 25. Apply. Cool. Let's see what this fucking next 15-minute wants to do on the NQs. Why the hell did this music stop? Matchbox. Or whatever. Yeah, Matchbox. Being a cunt, bitch. Come on, girl. Guess no música. No música para ahora. Para today, no música. Para mis señores y señoritas. I said no música. Es muy, muy sad. Es no bueno. ¿Cómo se dice no bueno
It's no
en
good.
español? Es no good, señor. Como pinche maricón. Let's see. Let's see, fine. I'll play it myself, but they can still hear you. I'm just going to keep it down so everybody can get a little bit of a... Let's see. Yeah, that's all I got on crypto. I don't have much else. I haven't looked at...
It's like a post I was just typing up for inside paper traders. Like the whole point of paper traders has always been to be posting high quality stuff, and I was just saying about how I haven't been posting many charts. It's not my ideal trading conditions. I told you the other day I've been to the beginning of the year before.
Yep.
Always gave a lot of like change backs. So it's personal preference, trading style, and to me these are not like A+ conditions. So yeah, been posting a lot less. Just waiting. Not gonna lie and say there's all these things I've been dishing out lately because there hasn't been much, and I'm not loving any of the charts.
And that's completely fair.
Yep. On that note, though, can you pull up Dixie? We outlined this pretty damn well. It's rejecting the key level I had posted, but that was a huge off those bottom liquidity sweeps.
Right off of that daily. Oh yeah, like right into that OTE off of that daily fair value gap.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I posted in futures. I just projecting that key level of 99.43, which is that weekly CISD.
Yep. Yeah, seeing that and that SFP too. Pretty close to an SFP on that daily there as well.
Just reminded me because I know someone tagged me and asked, and then I posted that chart. Yeah, I just tagged.
Yeah. SFP on the daily and weekly looks pretty fucking nasty.
So yeah, maybe that gives a little relief to the market. I'm not sure, like I said before in other streams, how much it matters anymore.
Yeah.
But we still watch it. It's a chart.
Yeah, exactly. Whether there's still correlation or not, we're still gonna, watch it and see what it wants to do, kind of thing.
Yep.
We're still gonna
Oil.
put up with it.
Oil on a rip.
Really?
Actually, peep CL weekly and monthly. While we're just scanning through these randoms. Monthly CL looks insane.
Oh, I'm sure with the fucking. Oh my god, what a fucking.
Look at that wedge breaking out.
That gapper. With everything going on in Iran too, I'm sure this is Iran contributing to the cause of such.
I see it in the gas prices.
Is gas down?
No.
Okay, that's what I'm like. Last time I filled up, I was like, bro.
Like 343 in Beaver Creek this weekend.
Dude, yeah, I filled up my shit too this past week. I was like, dude, what the fuck? I thought we were going down.
Nope.
I thought gas prices were supposed to go down, Mr. Trump.
No, sorry.
Mr. President, Mr. President.
Sorry.
Please put the gas price down, Mr. President. In terms of regular stonks, Roblox still looks good to me. Still liking where it's at, what it's doing here. Retested this daily CISD, now looking for a continuation to the upside. I'll send you this chart that I'm looking at so that you're not confused. There you go. So that daily CISD reset. Monthly is a little iffy. Actually, no. Monthly I do like a lot because we tapped into that CISD and this previous month was more of like a wick candle. So now going into this week, it's looking good. We have a weekly SFP. We have a daily SFP there at the bottom. And it's looking like there's a potential animal that might play out on it. So I'm leaning into that potential of the animal playing out. And we're going to see what happens here with it.
This is sidetracked once again, sorry, but I'm just getting to NQ and noticing that we're rejecting that 25 to 51 level that I've been talking about for literally like 3 months.
Yep.
To the tick. That's funny.
Yep. That's a fucking beaut.
MGM looks really compressed on the weekly and daily. Possible outside week and daily looks like a huge triangle.
And monthly too.
Yep. Back above monthly, quarterly open here.
It continued to hold this consolidation within here as well, so this one could give us a little cranker.
Maybe. Really looks like it wants a pop.
Does this one tend to rally during summer? No.
It's like resorts.
Oh, okay.
Casino.
March Madness coming up, everything.
And then I really like Tesla Daily has potential.
Tesla Daily. Yeah. There is a lot of liquidity built up on the downside, I will say, around like this 328 area. But I do like that sweep that they just had there. Weekly SFP too, so far. Previous monthly low swept. So this one could give us a little something.
Firm weekly.
FRM.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Right into that 786 too. That looks like a beaut.
Yeah. And monthly, so that previous month low.
I like that. And we're already outside week.
Yep. AMD starting at the monthly and then dropping down to weekly.
Fuck, FRM, I like that. AMD starting on the monthly, dropping down to the weekly. Previous monthly low sweep, weekly SFP, daily CISD. I do like that.
Last one is Spotify monthly if it can invert this bearish FG, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bitch
I
trade.
mean, monthly doesn't look bad. I like that wick we had to the downside, and the top of that larger fair value gap retest of this area here. That doesn't look too bad for me.
And then last one, just it's like a review of Moderna trade. I would call that trade complete on my out of that OT.
Yep. Yeah, that was so fucking perfect. Top of that.
D-Dog looks okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this daily retested this CISD, or not CISD, God. Retested the OTE of this range on the daily. So that one didn't look too terrible over here. And that weekly SFP, the previous weekly SFP, same inside month. That's the only thing that I would concern myself with here.
Yep, it is holding above that 786. All the bodies on the weekly closed above.
Yep, that
one also kind of a bitch to trade.
Oh yeah. Let's see, what do I have on here? Netflix got that nice continuation on it. Pepsi seen a bit of a rejection. PG, same thing. Yeah, DDOG. Z still consolidating. I think I mentioned that there could be a potential for a power of 3 here if they manipulate to the downside, and then we can see a nice ripper to the upside.
Intel flipping the
Hood too.
Yeah, Hood looks good.
Hood is my favorite setup here above the CISD. Could give us a good continuation into this month. Inside month, though, so that's the only thing I'd watch out for here. Marvel continuing to hold this area. AMT potential for breakout coin. Played out fucking beautifully. Got that retrace down and then continuation to the upside right now. So my trade is complete on it. This is all I wanted. Is just within this area. And to 227th still potential. Or 224 is 227th. Snow also got some potential here for me on the weekly. Monthly still inside month. So a lot of these that are inside month I'm just like ignoring.
Yep.
For the most part. Autodesk, absolute fucking gripper. Out of here, I think we mentioned it. When did I mention Autodesk? The other day, I feel like it was like some AI news that I went on it. Yeah, so far a solid move on Autodesk into this week.
Mine Intel.
INTC.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, the animal is still not complete on it, so I'd like to see a continuation on it. Just like into those 72s, into the area where we've rejected those equal highs pretty much.
Yep, and on monthly, like I had that bearish OTE drawn, and we flipped the 786 and are holding weekly bodies, like and opens and closes above it. 4409, very cleanly.
Yeah, Zeta is another one. Right out of that weekly OTE or that daily OTE came into it. Now we're seeing that nice move to the upside above the 200 EMA. Can see some clear skies now. Also breaking above the CISD here. Love to see something on this one as well and what they want to do with it here.
Penn had that really nice outside month.
Oh my god, dude. Penn, I had that bitch outlined.
Now we just retested monthly open. This can definitely go.
Nice move to the downside on Penn, and then hopefully to see a continuation out of it here.
Monthly CISD. Yeah, this looks good.
Jets could give us a potential run to the downside here. That's what I'd be watching. Dow, Love, all of the airlines. I'm kind of looking for some downside on those puppies. See if they can reject them to the downside for us. Let's see what else is out here. V looks okay for shorts. Maybe SFP here on the daily. See what they give us. O, Beaton, ANET, GD
That still look
dash,
okay-ish.
and play daily CISD here. Love to see a continuation on this one. Monthly, also previous monthly low sweep on play, so like to see something happen with this girl.
BBV.
ABBV.
BV. Monthly.
ABBV.
ABBV.
Yeah.
Yeah, the weekly looks really good still. Breaking out of
Mhm.
this trend line.
Yep. Spread
Daily
line.
looks good for continuation here.
I
Out of
like
that
that.
FVG retest.
Yeah. Pretty nice consolidation, retest, continuation.
Get a stick.
Mm-hmm. Wix, nice move too. That previous weekly sweep. At least the inside month. Yeah. Marne. That's all I got, honestly. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, we appreciate your support. The best way to support us is just by liking and sharing these streams. So make sure you're doing that. So thank you so much for everybody that keeps on showing up, for everyone's mom that keeps on showing up. We love you. We appreciate you. And we shall see you on the next one, just tomorrow morning. Peace out.